Okay, all set.
Skippy. Skippy, set. Skippy. Skippy, set. Whoa! Is that what you wanted to do?
No.
You okay, buddy? That kind of hurt, didn't it? You okay? Come here. You okay? That must have hurt. You just face plant there. That wasn't very nice. Come here, what's that?
You gotta throw it to the bottom. That wasn't a good one. Try again.
He likes that thing, eh? I wonder why he likes that thing so much. What'd you make it out of?
Wool.
That's probably why he really likes it, right?
I want to see him slide.
What's wrong with her? What's wrong?
Bumblebee's chasing me.
Holy moly.